Heygen video. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to heygen.com. On the home page, click the Sign Up for Free button at the top right of your screen. Enter your email address, then click Send Code to complete the registration process. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. From here, go to the top left corner of the screen and click the Create Video button to start a new project. The platform will ask you to select a video ratio. For example, I'm choosing the landscape format. Next, create a title for your video, such as Lawrence Advertise. You can customize your video by configuring the voice settings. Here, you'll be able to adjust the accent, speed, and volume. You can also change the avatar by selecting a different option to match your style. Once done, type your script directly into the text box provided. Or you can use AI assistance. Simply press the / key and select AI scriptwriter. Then, type a prompt such as make a business advertising script for Lawrence Business. Click the Generate button and Heygen will create your video.